So this came off of my Bridgeport mill, and my mill is actually, it's an Alliant base with a Bridgeport head on it. So I guess this was part of the Alliant part, I don't know. It comes out right here. This on the back connects right there. That runs over to the other side. And then the top one runs over here. And the bottom one here runs to the oiler. It's made out of some kind of zinc or pot metal or something like that. Well, the top one just blew off. And then when I removed it today, this one is, I don't know if you can see that, but it's all crazed where it's about to break. So it's a good thing I took it off. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to make this out of a piece of brass that I have laying around. My son actually gave me a long stick of this for my birthday one year. Do you get cool stuff like that from your kids? I'm just going to take this to the mill and clean it up because I'm going to leave it this wide to take care of that spout, and I'm going to add this back for that. So basically I'm going to take out this curve here and square it up. Now there's nothing very critical about this part. None of these two pieces don't really matter where they are so much. I do have to connect them together by drilling inside of this block, so I have to remember that. This is what attaches it to the machine, and then this goes in a hole. So these two have to be in relative reference to one another. I'm going to go ahead and punch this. Okay, I'm going to mark this about the center of that, and the center of this. And then I'm going to come over here and mark the back side about where the center of that is. That's what I'm going to go off of, and hopefully it'll work. So I got to put a hole in over here, and a hole over here, and a hole right here. Connect them all together and thread them all. So I've got my blocking device, and we're in this orientation, and I'm going to try to get this hole done. Now it's not going to be in the center of the block like this one, so we're going to come in 550. I am right in the middle of the block this way. Now I've got to tap this to 5/16 24, so this is a letter I drill bit. Oh, that was unfortunate. There's our hole. Now I want to just break into that hole. There we go. I made a connection down there. Hopefully there's going to be enough meat here for that fitting to tighten up. I might should have moved all this down a little bit, but I'm just now thinking of that, so. And we did hit that tunnel. And I just got to make the mounting hole. Hopefully I won't get into my gallery in there. I gotta pull this out enough I can get it attached. Okay, that feels like it's on there. Let's give it a pump. Uh-oh, that one's leaking. Still leaking. A little less. Okay, it's doing pretty good. Now, that one on the inside, if it's leaking, I'll never know it. All right, well, I hope that was interesting to you. Thank you for watching.